So today I've got an exciting vintage Coach bag to share with you. This is a Willis bag and it's still in new with tags condition, so it looks like it wasn't ever used. So it's just in beautiful condition. It's, like I mentioned, a Willis bag. The style number is 9927. It's in the color British tan and it was made in the US in 1994. So it's just been beautifully preserved over the years. Like I mentioned, it's still got the original price tag attached and it comes with the registration card and this little booklet that would have come with the bag when it was originally sold in the store. It also comes with this detachable crossbody strap, and the strap is also adjustable up here, as you can see. So we would attach the strap up here to these hardware pieces on top of the bag. So you could obviously wear it as a crossbody. Here's where you can adjust the strap again. And it also has a top handle, which makes it really nice to use the Willis bag. So you could wear the bag obviously with the strap or use the top handle if you just want to carry the bag by hand. And also the top handle makes it much easier to take the bag on and off. In my opinion, I use top handle bags quite a lot and I love that feature about them. So it comes with a brass turn lock closure, as you can see here on the front. Here's what it looks like when we open it. It has a slip pocket here under the front flap, and it's also got a zip pocket here along the interior of the bag. And the creator is stamped back there. It's kind of hard to pick it up easily on video, so I'll insert a photo so you can see that the bag is of course authentic. And here's the interior without the tissue paper, so you can get a pretty good idea of how large the interior is. I would say this is more of a medium to large size handbag, so it's pretty good size. You should be able to fit quite a bit in the bag. And then lastly, it's got this nice back slip pocket, which I think would probably be a great place to store your cell phone or anything that you want to just be able to grab quickly and get in and out of the bag. And the last feature I'll mention is it does come with the matching two-sided hang tag. So it says Coach on both sides of the hang tag here, as you can see. So that is this beautiful vintage Coach Willis bag. And this bag is available now in our online store. So if you were interested in this bag, I will post the link below, as well as all the other information that I mentioned about the bag, like the style number and the year, where it was made. And I will also post links below to all of our social media accounts in case you want to stay updated there as well. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.